Good evening and welcome to Global Health Indonesia Summit, recognizing the best in care that Indonesia has to offer. While this is our first evening in Bali recognizing Indonesian providers, this is our 10th year of the summit across the Southeast Asia Pacific region. What has been incredible and inspiring to see over that time span is how partners and friends have come together to lift the quality of care across the region. We're excited to see in the same manner what Indonesia has to offer and the growth that lays ahead. We look forward to setting the standard and bridging many partnerships and many friendships in this region. Welcome to the evening, and we're excited to honor you tonight.
With a great pleasure, we welcome you all to the beautiful island of God Bali and welcome to Global Health Indonesia Summit 2025.
And welcome to the first Global Health Indonesia Summit and Conference for 2025.
I'm from Asosiasi Rumah Sakit Swasta Indonesia or Indonesian Private Hospital. So I saw that just now it was presented that you have many Indonesian, Singapore, Asia Pacific, China. So I'm actually a Malaysian born in Malaysia, but from Singapore, and have launched GlobalHealth in Indonesia. So I guess we can talk a lot about these three countries.
Welcome to the conference. It's a privilege to be here. Thank you, Pak Yudi, Narendra, and the rest of the team for this invite. It's a privilege to be back in Bali.
should have a technology house system. Jadi use a telemedicine.
So you are no stranger to Global Health Asia Pacific. We've had VitaLife be a part of us for many, many years, but it's our first inaugural year in Indonesia. How does it feel to be a part of this and the growth that has now happened with the expansion to specific regions?
Oh, of course it's an honor. And first of all, congratulations to all of you for these amazing events. This is a total difference. And being a part of this big change, and we kind of know how to expect what is going to happen in the next decade, right? So of course it's going to be super exciting.
Amazing. So we've had your support for the past decade, and we only hope to see you in the next decade and many, many more years to come.
And next. And of course the next.
Thank you so much, and I hope to see you on stage tonight. So it's our first year having you here as part of course, our inaugural Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards. Can I ask, what has your experience been here in the first year with us?
Yes, this is the first time for us, the National Cardiovascular Center Harapan Kita, to join this Global Health meeting. Actually, it is okay. If you asking about my experience, that's great. This is a great meeting. Actually, it's very important that we can communicate and getting together to all of the industries, all of the hospitals around the Asian countries. We hope that we can joining the Asia Pacific one later on. it is very, very important for us to introduce at least our hospital to the international market or regional market. That's very interesting.
Well, thank you so much for being a part of us for our first inaugural year here in Indonesia. But we will see you for years to come, not only in Indonesia, but upcoming at our APAC Awards as well and Summit.
So we are waiting for this one.
So you're no stranger to the Global Health Asia Pacific Awards and Summit, and we've seen you on panels year after year, including today at our inaugural Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards. I'd love to hear what has been your experience and the transformation you see over the years.
Thank you. So, like you said, global health is not new to us. We've been we've been collaborating for a while. It's always lovely because you give us a chance to network with fellow colleagues, past colleagues, partners, other stakeholders, which is great. The panel today was interesting, not only mine, but even what I heard. It was very insightful also to hear how the Indonesian Ministry of Health is looking at things, what are their primary focus. From an IHH Healthcare Malaysia point of view, of course, we want to complement Indonesian healthcare where they need it, So it's lovely to hear that point of view. It's always nice to be in global health, and your inaugural Indonesia Summit is a really interesting one. We'll probably see more participants over time, but for a first year, it's been great.
Amazing. So, like we've had you for the past decade with APAC, we only expect to see you for the next decade and many more years to come with Indonesia.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
So it's your first year being at the Global Health Asia Indonesia Inaugural Summit and Awards. What has been your experience?
It is great, I was amazed that actually the topic was very, very, rich, and people are coming to share their experiences, and we can learn. Also, we can also know what is happening in the region as well as in Indonesia.
Amazing. And thank you so much for being here in our first year, and we hope to see you for many more years to come.
Yes. Thank you.
It's been your first year with us here at the Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards. How has your experience been?
Okay, thank you. I'm Dr. Suko from National Cancer Center Darmais Hospital, Jakarta. So we see that the captive market for wealthy people in Indonesia is increasing, especially in Jakarta. Approximately 5 million people have ability to pay in health services. So Cancer Darmais previously serving the government insurance, but now we will reach 50% of captive market for the wealthy patient in Jakarta. This opportunity with Global Health, I think it is a good opportunity for us to meet a partner in the same field, in the healthcare system, so we can collaborate and working together to make the better services in health services, especially for cancer.
Amazing. Thank you for everything you do, and we hope to see you for many more years to come.
Global Health always success in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. So Bumrungrad is no stranger to the Global Health Asia Pacific Awards and the Global Health family. How has it been experiencing the Global Health Indonesia Inaugural Summit and Awards this year and the transformation that's brought about?
Right. So actually, this is my first time coming here to the Global Summit Award. I'm very happy to be here and very exciting to see the award and the gala ceremony.
Amazing. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you for even many more years to come. Thank you so much for being here for our first inaugural Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards. What has been your experience this last 2 days?
Okay. Yes. Thank you. For me, yes, this is first time I've joined with Global Health, especially Global Health Indonesia Summit and meeting and award for this night. And this is a very, very new experience for me because I can collaborating with each other hospital and with other companies so that we can make friendship and collaboration. And I really happy for this. And this is make our hospital increasing level to the Asia level. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope to see you up on stage as well.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards, our first inaugural event here for Indonesia. What has been your experience over the last 2 days?
Thank you. Maybe I want to introduce myself. I'm Mulyadi Mukhtiar from Yarsi Hospital. And really, this is our first time we are attending for Global Health conference like this. I think it's so interesting when we can get interactions with many of our hospital healthcare providers, and then I think it's a good moment to make many collaboration synergize related to our product, especially ERC tonight get award related in hyperbaric and trauma center. When we have our ambulance, we provide a heliport for the helicopter with capacity over than 15 tons. It means could be lent by Super Puma. I think we could to invite many of facility to join with us because we have the trauma center, and other side we have hyperbaric oxygen therapy could be provided for 24 hours services.
Thank you so much for being there with us and everything you do. So welcome to the Global Health Indonesia Inaugural Summit and Awards. Omni Health is of course no stranger to the Global Health family, having seen you across the years participate both in our hospital and clinic side. How has been your experience over the last 2 days and the transformation over the last few years as well?
It's been great, as usual. We are planning to expand into Indonesia soon, and it's a great opportunity for us to network with the healthcare visionaries and the hospital C-suite team here from Indonesia. And as always, it's been a great platform. Global Health is for us. Throughout the years, we opened up in Thailand, and that's also through Global Health. We have met quite a number of hospitals in Thailand, and as well as in Malaysia, Vietnam. So yes, it's been a long partnership, and we are looking forward to more events and more conventions like this and summits, and looking forward to the Thailand summit as well.
So I'll be seeing you then in May at our Global Health Asia Pacific Conference and Awards.
Sure.
Thank you. Welcome to our Global Health Indonesia Summit Conference and Awards. It's our inaugural here, but you're of course no stranger to the Global Health family. How has your experience been at our inaugural Indonesia event?
Actually, we didn't have much expectations when we came here, because again, this is the first time specifically having an audience which is healthcare service providers from Indonesia. This region is specifically new for us, and we trying to get more information of how the healthcare system here is. In terms of our customer base, we do not have that kind of a similar inflow from Indonesia when compared to Singapore or to KL. So I think last 2 days was good discovery. We managed to collaborate, we managed to get more information, insights about the industry, about the pattern. So it was a good experience for us.
Well, that's lovely to hear, and I hope to see you at many, many more years to come. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're here 10 years later. Whilst it's 10 years for Global Health Asia Pacific, it's our inaugural awards for Indonesia. But interestingly enough, we met you for the first time actually right here itself many, many more years ago. So how has this experience been? It's evolved, you're part of the Global Health family. That would be an understatement to say, but what has your experience been with the inaugural event in Indonesia, but also the transformation that's happened over the last few years?
Right. So it's been a privilege to be part of the Global Health family, of course. And, to use my analogy a few years ago, we have continued to metamorphosize, right? So we're growing quite a bit, and the metamorphosis from a butterfly, now we're spreading our wings even more to different countries. And in Indonesia itself, it's a massive market. We want to make Global Health the benchmark in Indonesia, like we do in other countries around Asia. So it's really exciting. Today's event is fantastic. We've got 115 people coming today. We've had 2 days of full conference. We've never had that many conference tracks before. Oversubscribed. And we had the best of the support from the ministry as well. So we're really excited. Let's see how far we can spread our wings.
And we'll see you up on stage tonight as well.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Global Health Indonesia Awards and Summit. You're of course no stranger to the Global Health family over the years, participating both in the hospitals, the clinics, summit, and awards. But what has been your experience here at our inaugural Indonesia event, along with the transformation over the last few years?
Okay. So this event in Indonesia has been quite refreshing because we've been having a new market, kind of a look into the Indonesian market. And it's quite nice to actually work alongside with or meet people from Indonesian hospitals, looking at opportunities for collaboration and better healthcare for both Indonesians and also as a collaborative partnership.
Well, amazing, and I hope to see you for many more years to come as part of the Indonesia Summit. Thank you. Welcome to the Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards. What has been your experience over the last 2 days hearing from our incredible panelists, solo speakers, collaborating with the industry and just networking, and of course now going into our awards? What has this weekend been for you?
It has been amazing. It meant a lot. This is my first time actually joining this fantastic summit, Global Health Summit. So I've learned a lot. There's so many interesting topics, and I have been networking with a lot of people, a lot of important people. So I feel so honored to be here.
Well, thank you so much for being here. And even though this is your first time, I hope we see you for many more years to come.
Hopefully. Thank you so much.
Well, once again, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure to welcome you all on this very special occasion. Thank you very much for your presence this evening, and thank you very much for dressing beautifully. Look at you, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone looks so gorgeous tonight. So please give applause to all of us here.
Whilst this is our first inaugural event recognizing Indonesian providers for the work that they do, we look forward to making it the same as we have, setting the standard in Southeast Asia and having a decade of recognition across Indonesia. It's an inspiring journey to see the amount of innovation that has occurred in healthcare, the startups, a hello job, the
How does it feel to have won tonight?
It's wonderful. Thank you so much for Global Health Indonesia for giving us this award.
And also because elderly care is quite new in Indonesia, so this is a recognition that we really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for what you do. How does it feel to have won tonight?
It's great. It's very nice. We hope we can continue improvement, and it's a great ceremony.
Well, congratulations. Thank you so much for being here tonight with us. How does it feel to have won tonight?
Oh, exciting. Yeah. So I was so surprised. But this is a very good one, a great event. And thank you, Global Health Indonesia, for awarding this. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much for being here, and we hope to see you for many more years to come. Thank you. How does it feel to have won tonight?
Yeah, it's very great, amazing. Thank you for Global Health for making Bedside Hospital to become the Smart Hospital of the Year.
Congratulations, and we hope to see you for many more years to come.
Thank you.
How does it feel to have won tonight?
Yes, I think it's been amazing. I mean, thank you so much, Global Health, for this award as the best neurology hospital in Indonesia. I think today's event it's been amazing. I mean, I've met so many people and I hope to see all of them and you guys again next year.
Congratulations, and we can't wait to see you for many more years to come. How does it feel to have won tonight?
Okay, thank you, Global Health. It's an honor for us at Medica to become the best TPA in Indonesia of the year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How does it feel to have won tonight?
It's really wonderful for the award and nomination. So this one is like we hope we can do better for the healthcare and all of the hospital in Indonesia.
Thank you so much for being with us, and congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So we interviewed you at the start of the evening, but now we're interviewing you as an award winner. How does that feel?
See my big smile. I'm so happy. I'm like very honored. And you know, like becoming the upcoming Wellness and Aesthetic Center, it's definitely, you know, pushing me to be a better, you know, wellness and aesthetic. Hopefully we will win another award for being the best of Wellness and Aesthetic Center in Indonesia. Hopefully. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Global Health. I'm just, you know, it's blow my mind. Thank you.
Absolutely. Congratulations. It only starts here, and I'm sure we'll see you win many, many more categories, and of course, eventually the best.
Thank you.
How does it feel to have won Jet Setter of the Year?
It's surprisingly awesome. I didn't expect this award, but yeah, I suppose it says that so much I've been flying. Maybe I should cut down, but for now I'm enjoying. Thanks a lot for this new award.
I think it says less about you being flying this much, more about the credibility to the work that you do, and that you need to keep going.
Fair enough.
So we'll see you in April, May. Yeah.
Yeah, in Bangkok.
See you then. So it's clear that you excel in your field. Beyond the hospitals, beyond the clinic, beyond aesthetic, and now even in a new market, how does it feel to be an award winner tonight?
Of course, I feel great. And I feel I have to thank you, Global Health, as well, again, to pick SLC as a part, and also to guarantee the Indonesian patients to come to SLC as well.
Congratulations. And we will see you in May.
Yeah.
In Bangkok, in your hometown. So you are absolutely no stranger to the Global Health family. You've been a part of every milestone for us, be it the hospital, the clinics, or aesthetic awards, conference, and summit. How has the inaugural Global Health Indonesia Summit and Awards been? And can you talk to also the transformation of the last 2 years?
Whoa, this is my honor to be here for the inauguration of the Indonesia Global Health event, and I see all the hospitals here, both public and private, you know, gaining their foothold into the global health scene. And the transformation is that they are moving up into the international stage, which is very heartening to see. And Global Health is at the forefront, helping them to transform and move forward. And I'm so glad to be part of it.